My third video on my 5 new technologies in the music classroom by Todd Krause. My third website, tonesavvy.com. Standard address ISTE5C. Designing a learning environment that supports learning through technology using digital resources. Trying to create more user-friendly technology, apps, and resources for my students to use both in the classroom and outside the classroom to help reach their music potential and to really enjoy music and using technology to help find that joy. ISTE6B for facilitating those learning strategies using the digital tools and creating that environment and those lesson plans, supporting them with student learning through the digital resources, both in and outside the classroom. Tone Savvy, click on the link. It's another music theory teaching and learning exercise, more focused on the ear training side of things. As a forming musician or an amateur musician and performing musician is important for me to really develop my ears. And that's probably the hardest as a musician, was developing my ears. Just going from college and trying to make it in the music industry, it was ear training, just trying to learn with my ears what music's playing and then play along with it. And it's a satisfying feeling once you get to that, to cross that bridge and get there, but leading up there is certainly a challenge. For teaching music, on the teaching music side, that does cost, but if you're studying, that's kind of, they have free exercises, and that's what we'll look at. The different music theory practice, ear training practice, and different exercises that you can learn with and click on to figure out and learn what you want to find out. Music theory, kind of like that one website that we've looked at, but we can jump in here and look at note names on the grand staff, and that will actually give us a short little quiz and actually timer, score, errors completed, questions. It's to use a hint. And again, it's giving you a note, and you pick out what the note name is. It's an F, and then it gives you the sound as well. You start hearing it, seeing it on the screen, and you start matching the pitch to the note, and you continue that way. Stop the quiz. Come back to the main page here. Different exercises that we did: note names, interval building, intervals, distance between two notes, and then you're ascending major seventh, and you get to try to draw and pick what the next note is. Back into ear training, perfect pitch, chord progressions, chords, scales. And again, it's giving you, I was talking it here, but we'll guess natural minor. And then it starts to just give you good practice on the different concepts and different elements of music. It's another good and useful tool in the music classroom and outside for individual practice. Teaching guitar, it gives you the guitar fret, and it's pointing where I should play the note. Let's see if I can get this right. It's an F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th fret. I believe it is right here. Not sure how to do the F sharp. This situation, I'm not sure. I'm not able to select what I need. This is the headstock of the guitar, and F sharp will be right here. here. Excuse me, right here. Anyway, different exercises and different concepts that you use it to build your music knowledge and skill. That kind of goes through that. This would be good for, again, students. And I can even have guitar students, normal music students, my band students. Good for my choir students, developing their ear training, hearing the pitch, and they can try to mimic the pitch with their voice. Perfect pitch exercises. Try. It's a D. If you go back to the pitch below and try to figure out the next pitch, it should help. And trying to rush through this, not doing a very good job. I apologize. Anyway, you get the idea. This is tone savvy. Really focusing on ear training. And students can, again, take one of these short little quizzes, screenshot the information, show me, or we can do it in class. And I can assess that way as well. I used to ask questions in class and really use the digital tools to the benefit of everybody involved in the music classroom. Again, ask questions in class, have the student raise their hand, or call on students to make their guess or make an answer and go from there. Again, this is free and really beneficial in the music classroom. Thank you.